Hello everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to discuss something which is related to relation and functions, and that is how to find number of reflexive relations in A cross A when there are number of elements in set A n. So we know that we can represent number of relations in the set A to A in the form of matrix whose order is n cross n. This is the order of that matrix. Because number of elements in set A cross A is going to be n cross n square, which we can represent as a matrix. This is called matrix. These are horizontal lines are called rows, and these are vertical. These are called column. So now we are uh, told to ask number of reflexive relation. What is reflexive relation? Reflexive relation means when there is a relation with itself. That means A comma A should belong to R. If this is the condition that is being followed in particular relation, we can say that particular relation is the reflexive relation. So if we see here, this would be continued, right? Like this, like this, like this, like this up to n. So here it would be n cross n. So if we see this diagonal here, if we see this diagonal here, so here in diagonal, we have n pairs. How n pairs? Because 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, up to n comma n. So we have total n pairs. And if this relation is reflexive, we have to take this diagonal. We have to consider this. So taking this diagonal, we have only one choice that we have to take it. That means we can take elements of this diagonal in one way only. That means we don't have any other option. We have to take that, right? Now, other than that, we do have upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. This is called lower, this is called upper. So there are some elements, right? 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3, like this. So for these elements, we have two choices, either to take it or not to take it. Other than diagonal elements, remaining elements have two choices, either take it or leave it. So total we have n square elements. Now, if we subtract n elements which are diagonally, so number of ways in which we can have reflexive relation is going to be 1 into 2 power n square minus n. Why 2 power? Because each and every element apart from diagonal have two choices, either to take it or not to take it. So there are n square minus n elements. So overall, if we check, overall in 2 power n square minus n way, we can select that particular, because we can write it as n square minus nc0 plus n square minus nc1 plus n square minus nc2. If we add all those elements, we will get this. So 2 power n square minus n. This is the formula which we get as number of reflexive relation. For example, if we have any question, find number of reflexive relation when n is equal to 4. So formula is 2 power n square minus n. 2 power 4 square minus 4. 2 power 16 minus 4. 2 power 12. That is going to be your answer. I hope this thing is clear. And the relation function is very important chapters. So don't learn anything rather than visualize the things. Otherwise, it is going to be a little bit tough if you are preparing for IIT JEE examinations, because you should know the process rather than the formulas. Because how many formulas you will learn, right? There are more than 1,000 formula, I must say, if you are preparing for IIT JEE. So rather than learning all the formulas, you can visualize the things. In mathematics also it is possible. So that was for now. We will see another relations derivation, that is symmetrical relation, how to find in next video. So till then, take care of yourself, keep working hard, and all the best for your JEE main second attempt. Thank you.